Hey guys, this is Will with Liquor Bee. Want to give you guys just kind of a quick rundown on the shopping cart versus the shopping basket for some of our new customers. Kind of what's the difference, the best utilization for both of them, and just kind of how you can bridge the gap between using the shopping cart and using the shopping basket. Okay. Um, so first, the shopping basket. All right. What this is, it's not integrated with, the POS system to track your inventory. So what you're really going to be going here for is new items. So if you pull up the shopping basket right here, you can see it's just defaulted to the items you've bought, right? But if you check all data, all of TAP comes up, bailment items. So you can see there's 3,990 items. So everything in TAPS comes up. So what this is great for is if you want to maybe expand your inventory, something you never bought with before without having to go through TAP to do it. So you can see all these items with the negative 9,999, quantity in there. That's something you never had before, and you don't have any data on it. So like you can't see, days last shipped, the last time you got it, things like that. So if you wanted to get something new, right, you just put however many you want, all right, then go to view cart, okay, stage order, and you could just call it bridge for now. Okay, so this is a bridge order. We're going to bridge it with an existing one that we want to have. Okay, you just hit submit. All right. Um, then what you can do is go to your shopping cart. So what your shopping cart is something that, it's integrated with your POS. It's got your inventory, it's got your sales, got the whole 9 yards, everything you need in here. First thing you see is a forecasted sales. So it could be, a 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. And what this is basically forecasting out is how much inventory you want to keep in your store. 1 week right now delays 2 or 3 days, so there's not a whole lot of need unless you're getting ready for football season, getting ready for a holiday to expand, further out. But I will tell you, expanding further out will give you a broader spectrum of items because there may be some things you want to keep 3 or 4 weeks of, and then there are maybe only things you want to keep 1 or 2 weeks of, right? So let's just use a 1 week report, for instance. Just keep it lean, not having a bunch of back stock. Then click load report here. All right, and it's got 100 suggested items, right? So you can go through here, add what you need, just like normal. What you'll notice though, you can edit these columns. So you don't need the code, or you may not want to see 2 and 3, week sales. You can see 1 and 4. Or you may not want to see the sales deficit, may not want to see price change. But you can adjust these. You can drag and move them if you want your sales to be next to your total quantity. You can do that too, right? But just whatever's visually appealing for you, you can move to help make your ordering easiest. You add things the same way here, just like that. You can also check all data. I will tell you, if you do the report and then go to all data, you will lose your item. So if you may want to stage them first in the 1 week report, add to that existing order, that bridge order, submit. It'll add to the bridge order. Then from this point is when you can go to the all data if there's something you don't see in the 100 items suggested on your 1 week reorder. All right. So now we can see 1,400 items come up. Right. So now we can type in Tito's, see our Tito's sales, see the discount, see the 1, 2, 3, and 4 week sales. So if you want to add Tito's here, type in your quantity, view, add, or excuse me, get a stage, add to that existing order. Or if you want to create a new order, just right now we're working on that. The order from, the new item we added in the ABC that we've never had before, what's on our reorder point, and then also something that you just want to keep a bigger stock of that wasn't in the suggested reorder on the 1 week report. Okay. So hit submit here. Okay. So now, say we got all the items we need, we've built our order. Okay. So where we push that staged order through is if you go to smart products, okay, and then go to currently smart filling in stock. All right. So then you go to manage staged orders, right? Go to that bridge order. And then from here, we don't have 10, so let me bump this up a little bit. But now we got 10 cases in here. What we can do is just schedule purchase, and then choose the date if you want to go through to today, or if you want to go through, say you had an SPA order for August 1st, choose your date, hit delete staged order after if you want, unless you want to keep a running catalog of staged orders. Then you just hit submit, goes to tap, makes the order. That's all there is to it. So I hope this helps. We're going to continue doing this video series, help just you be more efficient. Make sure you're utilizing all the tools. So if you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to help you, and we appreciate you guys believing in us. That's what's built this product. So we always appreciate the feedback. Thanks.